Accurate, elegant, easy-to-use digital kitchen scale for your largest and smallest cooking projects. Weighs up to 11.24 pounds, 5,100 grams, with precise graduations of 0.05 ounces, 1 gram. Automatic unit button instantly converts between 5 units of measurements, G, lbs, lbs, Oz, Oz, ml, and displays results on an easy-to-read LCD screen, e.g. Easily convert 539 grams to 1.188 pounds to 1 pound 3 ounces to 19.01 ounces to 539 milliliters. Precision Tare Button calculates the net weight of your ingredients by automatically subtracting the weight of any bowl or container. Features a newly enlarged weighing platform finished in elegant chrome, and 2 large buttons that generate an audible click confirmation. Cleans and stores easily. Proudly selected by the Dana Farber Cancer Institute for a Harvard Medical School study on the link between weight loss and the prevention of breast cancer, the new Pronto Digital Kitchen Scale by Ozeri is an uncompromising multifunction scale for the kitchen and home. The Pronto is built with the latest generation in sensor technology to ensure an accurate and immediate response for the fast-paced chef, and features a newly enlarged weighing platform, one of the largest in its class, to accommodate larger bowls and food items. Elegantly designed with a refined finish, the Pronto also doubles as a postage machine for your mail or a scale for your children's science projects. The ultimate companion for the serious cook, the Pronto's large unit button lets you change the unit of measurement with push-button ease, with 5 different units to choose from, G, lbs, lbs, Oz, Oz, ml, e.g. convert, 539.8 grams, to 1.19 pounds, to 1 pound 3 ounces, to 19.04 ounces, to 539.8 milliliters. The widescreen LCD displays provides wide viewing angle for the fast-moving chef. Manufactured to rigorous quality specifications, the Pronto weighs up to 11.24 pounds, 5,100 grams, in graduations of just 0.05 ounces, 1 gram, to help you achieve your diet and weight goals. The Pronto also features an ever-handy Tare button which automatically subtracts the weight of any bowl or container to calculate the net weight of your ingredients. The Pronto's Tare and unit buttons provide an audible and tactile click confirmation so you never have to push twice when preparing meals in a hurry. The Pronto's aesthetic design and availability in multiple colors complement any kitchen decor, and it cleans quickly and stores easily. The Pronto runs on 2 AAA batteries, included, with an easy-access battery compartment, and 2-minute automatic power-off to preserve battery life. It also ships with a bonus set of batteries. Top reviews from the United States. Very happy with the Ozeri ZK14-S Kitchen Scale. I researched various kitchen scales because I am just starting to bake my own bread. Had years of experience with quick breads out of a box, beer bread, homemade zucchini, banana pumpkin breads, but always felt making homemade yeast breads was a bit intimidating and time-consuming, did not want to fail. I am also going to introduce ancient grains as I progress for healthier breads. I noticed many recipes are in metric and I don't have the inclination to learn to convert in my head. In my USA culture growing up we don't use metric, but from research I get that it is supposed to be more accurate, although I don't recall ever having an issue using our traditional volume measures. The Ozeri Digital Scale had every feature I wanted for my first scale, including a great price of $11, in case I didn't like it or, as sometimes happens, the product breaks in short time frame, and a bonus feature. Sometimes the Amazon reviews can leave one bewildered as to what to really expect. So far I am glad I chose the Ozeri. I can't review its longevity yet, but these are the features that helped me decide on the Ozeri.